How many times have you told yourself, this is the last time, only to find yourself right back at it the next day? Brother, if you've ever felt powerless in the face of your porn urges, you are not alone. In fact, research shows that over 80% of relapses in men who are trying to quit porn come down to this one thing, and it's the inability to handle urges within the moment. But here's the truth. It's not that your urges are too strong. It's that you don't yet have a plan. And in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm giving you 5 proven steps that will not only help you crush urges in real time, but will also build the discipline, foundation, and confidence to create a life where porn no longer has control over you. So if you've ever felt like temptation sneaks up out of nowhere, stick with me, because by the end of this episode, you're going to have a playbook that you can begin to apply today. Practical steps to win this battle from pornography once and for all. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. And it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you that are caught up in the depths of pornography break the chains, reclaim back their identity, rewire their minds, and step into a life of freedom. And with over 1,700 successful transformations, we've planted ourselves at the top of this industry with coaching, programs, brotherhood, and real accountability. And then today, I'm breaking down the 5 steps to help you if you're caught up in the depths and feel like the urges are just too much. And we're giving you a proven framework, a battle plan. And it starts with step number 1. If you're fighting urges and you feel like they're too much, and you're waiting for that moment when they hit, you are struggling because you do not yet have a predetermined plan. So step 1 is to create that plan. Don't wait until you're triggered, because by then it's going to be too late. Anything you've accomplished in your life has been a byproduct of you having a plan. Just like a fighter prepared before stepping into the ring, you need to script out your moves ahead of time. Know where your urges hit. Know what vulnerable states you are in that make you susceptible. And write down the 3 non-negotiables that you'll do immediately when that urge hits. Whether it's calling a brother, whether it's stepping outside, whether it's removing yourself from the environment, whether it's dropping and doing some push-ups, whether it's opening up your book, your Bible, or seeking out God in prayer. Know what it is you're going to lean into. Know what that plan is, so you do not have to wait until it strikes. And what we've seen is that the men inside of our community that map out their 3-step plan, that map out a process for them before the urges hit, cut their frequency of relapse by a minimum of 40 to 50% in just 30 days. So step 1 is you have to have a plan of what you're going to do when those triggers and urges hit. Step 2 is to identify the triggers and the patterns. Most men think that their struggles with pornography are about lust, but that's not true. It's about the state that you're in, the physical, emotional, nervous system state that your body is in, and porn has become the response to things like stress, boredom, fatigue, loneliness. These are what we see are the biggest drivers for men's porn use. A Harvard study shows that self-awareness practices reduce compulsive behaviors by 30 to 50% because men learn to catch the urge before it spikes. Here's a practical takeaway exercise for you to do right now. Track your last 5 relapses. What state were you in before clicking? What was your mental processing? What was your emotional state? What environment were you in? You see, if we can begin to identify these triggers and most importantly, the patterns of our behavior, then we can succeed in step 1, which is creating the battle plan for ourselves. But we got to know where the triggers are coming from. Do the defensive work by identifying them here in step 2. Step 3, if we've recognized that this is something about our emotional, mental, spiritual states, then we begin to step into step 3, which is to build tools better tools of self-regulation. You see, porn has become a coping mechanism for regulating stress, anxiety, fear, lack of intimacy. Replace porn with real tools. Begin to practice things like deep breathing, journal, prayer, cold showers, exercise, creating deep, meaningful connection and intimacy with others. The science shows us that breathwork can calm your autonomic nervous system in as little as just 30 to 90 seconds. A real-time tool and framework that when you are feeling overstimulated and overregulated will calm your nervous system. Inside our program, we have an actual course that is dedicated to helping you build the self-regulation tool of breathwork, Wim Hof style breathing, box breathing. And we've seen clients that pair this with journaling daily, reporting urges dropping from 10 out of 10 to 3 out of 10 in just 2 weeks. It's a 70% decrease in the velocity and the intensity of those urges. This is the work. This is the real work that most men are unwilling to do. But once you recognize that this simple practice of building self-regulation tools can reduce urges and also help you combat them, brother, it's life-changing for you. Step 4 is in those moments, you have to learn to change your environment. You've done the self-audit. You know that scrolling Instagram, TikTok, social media, Reddit boards while you're laying in bed causes you to go down the rabbit hole. You're not going to continue to win the fight if you step into the same ring every single time. So if you're lying in bed, scrolling, get up. If you're stressed at your desk, go outside. Sometimes a 5 to 10 minute change can shift your physiology. Research is clear on this. Environment-based habit cues are powerful. Studies show that willpower increases up to 60% when you simply remove yourself from the triggering environments. Instead of having your phone in bed, replace it with a journal, a Bible, or a self-development book. Instead of sitting at your desk for 8 hours a day, get a stand-up desk, get a walking treadmill. Begin to move in throughout the office. Take short breaks every 60 minutes. Step outside for 5 minutes. You're in control of these things. You can continue to play victim to the urges, or you can make the necessary changes in your life to help set you up for success. And our 5th and final step here is to literally stop, breathe, and reframe the moments. Realize that when these urges hit your prefrontal cortex, your decision-making center goes offline. You're now operating from a place of not logical thinking. Controlled breathing for a handful of moments will restore your rational thought. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6. Repeat that for 3 to 5 rounds. And reframe this. This urge is not who you are. You are a man of discipline, a man of integrity, a man of strength, a man of freedom. We've had a member recently inside of our community that went from daily relapses to over 27 days clean by simply pairing breath work with prayer every single day. He's coming up on a month plus now of walking in absolute freedom. One simple practice, pausing for the moment, reframing it, and practicing breath work daily. Brother, you are in control of all these. I've seen so many men stay stuck because they play victim to their urges. When everything I shared here takes minutes a day, have a plan, know where they're coming from, identify your triggers, put in the work to build the tools for self-regulation, be willing to change your environment, and pause for a moment and remind yourself that the urge is not defining who you are. But here's the brutal truth, brother. Your urges are going to come, but you do not have to be powerless against them. With a plan, awareness of your triggers, tools to regulate intentional environment and control your breath, you can win this battle each and every day. And every small victory stacks momentum and builds the identity of the man that no longer bows down to temptation. What we're teaching here is not about white knuckling your way through urges. It's about rebuilding your identity and reframing who you see yourself as. And I mentioned at the beginning the success that we've had. Over the last 5 years, we've positioned ourselves at the top of the recovery industry. Over 1,700 successful transformations, a thriving community of men right now, the #1 transformational program for men all across the world. And if what you've heard here today has intrigued you and you're ready to take it the next step, and you want to go further, I want to invite you into our free 7-day porn reset. You can click the link down there below or visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset to join us today. But inside, you're going to get daily tools, coaching, teaching, and a community of support to help you put these steps into practice. Thousands of men like you have started in the same place you are here today. And today, this decision, joining us inside the 7-day reset, could be the start of your freedom journey too. Visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below. And brother, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.